Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about the personal side of taxes. Now, for 2022, there are three major changes, three significant things that as an individual filing taxes, you definitely want to be watching out for. Now, the first one is the monthly child tax credit payments. Now, you heard that correct, monthly. This is the first time ever that the IRS has been sending out monthly payments, basically prepaying a future looking IRS tax credit. Now, future looking, it's for the 2021 tax returns that we're filing right now. So this is early 2022 as of the time of filming this. So the question here, and this could be good or it could be bad, if you have not been receiving your child tax credit payments, but you should get them, you should be getting a nice chunk of additional withholding. I'm going to call it withholding. It's an extra credit that's going to go on your tax return to reduce any taxes you owe. Now, the downside to this is that if you were already receiving your monthly child tax credit payments, but you got too much, and I have an odd feeling this is going to bite some people. You may have received more than what you're supposed to on that 2021 tax return because maybe your qualifying child now lives with another parent, or your income or filing status has changed, right? So your income level, or maybe you were married and now you're single, or you no longer reside in the US for more than half of the year. We had a lot of people move into Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands, over to Belize, that kind of thing. You may actually owe money back to the government. So we will be putting a link. There's a really cool little calculator down below. So we're going to be putting a link to that for you guys here in the show notes. But definitely, if you've either received your monthly child tax credit payments, or you have not yet, it might hurt you, it might help you. So double check with your tax preparer if you're not sure if this is going to cause problems, that kind of thing. Now, the second one is actually about one of the recovery rebate credits, okay? So this was the third stimulus payment that came out related to COVID. So the question here is, did you receive it? Did you not receive it? Should you have received it? These kinds of things. Again, you're going to want to double check with your tax preparer. Is this going to help you on your 2021 return? Now, many of you may have already received this as a direct deposit into your bank account. If you met certain qualifications, you may have already received this money, so it may not help you. This year, and I think we've talked about it in a previous video, the IRS is sending out two special letters. By this point, they should all be out already, discussing what you have received, what you have not received, what you need to tell your tax preparer when they go to file the tax returns. So be on the lookout. Again, this could either help you or hurt you. The third stimulus payment from the recovery rebate tax credit, the full amount was $1,400 per person. So definitely, double check with your CPA if you aren't sure, if you don't remember getting it. Maybe check your bank account, see if you got any $1,400 deposit, or any deposit, could be a dollar amount less than that, from the IRS. Okay. Now, the third one, and this one's actually kind of cool. This one, you no longer have to itemize if you have charitable contributions. Now, for many people, right, maybe their house mortgage is paid off, or when in 2018, when they increased the new standard deduction, the amount of the mortgage interest that you pay was not more than the standard deduction. Well, when you lose itemized, or before, when you lost itemized deductions, that was it. You could claim them, but you weren't getting any tax benefit for the charitable contributions. So the charities lobbied the government and said, wait. If people don't get tax credits, they're less likely to give us money. And the charities actually won. So that's pretty cool. Up to $300 per person. So it's $600 combined for married filers. You can actually report that directly on page 1 of your tax return. Might be schedule 1, but right on the face of your tax return, you do not need to itemize. So wanted to bring that up. That is something really, really cool. Obviously, if you're donating more than $600 and you qualify for itemized deductions, take it on the itemized deductions. So guys, Tax Goddess, we absolutely love tax strategies. So these things, they're small tax strategies, but they are still tax strategies. If your CPA is not bringing up these types of things for you, definitely reach out. Our team knows these things, and this is what we do for a living. So absolutely love to help you, your family, your business, investors, cryptocurrency, real estate is about 40% of our practice. So if you have any questions, excuse me, I'm getting all worked up about tax strategy. Anyway, if you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to the team, taxgoddess.com, and let's see how much of this money we can save for you. All right. Have a great day, everyone. We'll talk to you later. Bye.